What's cracking, everybody? It's your boy IDK here with a quick video for iStandard. So today we're going to be taking a look at the Sound Bag. This bag was created with the music maker in mind, but it's a really versatile bag, so you could use it on a daily, as a laptop bag, or even a photography bag. So I'm really anxious to dive in, crack this box open, and take a look at what's inside. So let's go ahead and do that now. Alright, so we got the box open. Now let's take a look at what's inside. Some paper, we got a couple flyers, and a card. Let's take a look at what's inside this card. Sweet. Got 2 stickers, which I love stickers, and a thank you card. Inside of here it says, "Thank you for your purchase. Keep joy in your journey. Peace, Sound Bag." Thanks so much, Sound Bag. And we got 2 flyers. On the back of these flyers it says, "Sound Bag is the prelude to a creative adventure. Protect your electronics and daily essentials in a sound bag. Reflect your personal style with a unique and versatile backpack/laptop case. Respect your creativity with access to your tools wherever and whenever inspired." So that's pretty awesome. Now for the actual bag itself. Let's take this thing out of here and see what it's like. So here's the bag out of its packaging, and as you guys can see, there's signature 16 pad emblem or logo. This is really reminiscent of the MPC or any other drum machine that you guys could find out in the market. So this bag feels really great. There's padding literally everywhere. So this provides you with a lot of protection. I know that this bag is not waterproof, but it is water resistant. So your equipment or your books, your laptop, anything you put in here will be protected against water to a certain extent. There is a pocket here, and this right here is even padded, which is a really nice touch. I can tell that this bag is quality. It was made to protect your gear, so that's really nice. We also have the same pads that we have up here. We also have them down below to protect your bag if you're having it sit upright. We have a nice carrying handle right here, and it feels really tough. I mean, it's hard to bend. The grip feels really great. We have another pocket back here that we could use to store, maybe a wallet or a cell phone. So let's open this up and take a look at what's inside. So up top, we actually have another mesh pocket up here. And this is a pretty big pocket right here. I can imagine you putting in maybe a couple of hard drives, maybe your laptop charger, pens, pencils, whatever. So that's really nice to have. We have 2 compartments up here, and I believe this right here you can actually remove to create a larger space to hold bigger pieces of equipment. And we actually have, I'm not sure if you guys can see this, but we actually have 1, 2, 3 additional compartments here that we could use to put even more pieces of equipment, pencils, hard drives, chargers, cables, whatever you like. And like I said before, there's padding everywhere. And what I love most about it is how padded the back is right here. It's really stiff. So like, I can imagine like against your back, having this sit nicely and flush against your back will just make for a more comfortable backpack to have, especially if you're carrying around, say, a lot of things that may poke out at you. Yeah, this is a really nice touch. All right, guys, so that's it for today's video. But before I leave, I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. I will have a link down below for you guys to check out and learn more about this bag. And If you found this video helpful, hit that like button for me and subscribe to my channel. I will be having more content. And actually, I will be doing a follow-up review on this bag in a couple of weeks. So definitely keep an eye out for that. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.